Creamy mushroom risotto recipe step by step. Welcome to our kitchen. Today, we're going to prepare a comforting creamy mushroom risotto. This classic Italian dish is known for its rich flavors and velvety texture. Join us as we take you through each step of the process, from sautéing the mushrooms to achieving the perfect al dente rice. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2 cups arborio rice, 4 cups vegetable or chicken broth, 1 cup white wine, optional, 1 onion, finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 8 ounces mushrooms, such as cremini or button, sliced, 3 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, half a cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. Instructions: 1. Prep the mushrooms. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and add the olive oil and butter. Add the chopped onion and sauté until translucent. Add the minced garlic and cook for an additional minute until fragrant. Add the sliced mushrooms and cook until they become golden brown and release their moisture. Remove half of the cooked mushrooms from the skillet and set them aside for later. 2. Toast the rice. Add the arborio rice to the skillet and stir it in with the remaining mushrooms, onion, and garlic. Toast the rice for about 2 minutes until it becomes slightly translucent around the edges. 3. Deglaze with wine, optional. Pour in the white wine and stir until it is absorbed by the rice. This step adds a subtle depth of flavor, but you can skip it if you prefer a non-alcoholic version. 4. Gradually add the broth. Begin adding the vegetable or chicken broth to the skillet, 1 ladle at a time. Stir continuously until the broth is absorbed by the rice before adding the next ladle. Repeat this process, allowing the rice to slowly absorb the liquid. It should take about 20 to 25 minutes for the rice to become al dente. 5. Incorporate reserved mushrooms. In the final 5 minutes of cooking, add the reserved, cooked mushrooms back into the skillet. Stir them into the rice, allowing their flavors to meld with the risotto. 6. Add Parmesan and season. Once the rice is cooked to the desired consistency, creamy with a slight bite, remove the skillet from the heat. Stir in the grated Parmesan cheese until it melts and creates a creamy texture. Season with salt and pepper to taste. 7. Serve and garnish. Transfer the mushroom risotto to serving bowls or plates. Garnish with freshly chopped parsley for a pop of color and freshness. 8. Bon appetit! Your creamy mushroom risotto is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it as a comforting main course or as a delectable side dish to complement your meal. Don't forget to savor every spoonful. Thank you for joining us in our kitchen today. We hope you enjoyed learning how to make this creamy mushroom risotto. Be sure to give it a try at home and let us know how it turned out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and cooking inspiration. Happy cooking!